All right, let's get right to it. Today, we're not going to get bogged down in the technical weeds. This is a high-level, strategic look at the return on investment for applying quantum AI to our supply chain. We're focusing purely on the bottom-line business case. So, let's kick things off with one big question. What if we could take our single biggest logistics headache and just make it disappear? Not in a quarter, not in a week, but instantly. And that headache? Well, you know what it is. It's our supply chain. It is, without a doubt, our greatest operational challenge. But here's the twist. That also makes it our single biggest untapped opportunity. We're talking about a massive competitive edge just waiting to be unlocked. Now, to get to that opportunity, we first have to talk about what's stopping us right now. There's this thing. You can think of it as a computational wall. It's the fundamental reason why a perfectly optimized supply chain has always been just out of reach. And here's where you can really see the disconnect. The goal, right? It's the dream. A perfectly tuned supply chain. Every single truck, every route, every last item, all calculated for absolute maximum efficiency. But our reality? Well, the reality is that this is an optimization problem so ridiculously complex that our best supercomputers would literally take years to find that perfect solution. So what do? We're forced to settle for good enough. So how do we smash through that wall? We do it with the next massive leap forward in computation. We do it with quantum machine learning. Now, don't worry, we're not going to dive into the complex physics here. From a business perspective, quantum machine learning, or QML, is a new kind of tool. It's built for one single purpose: solving these enormous, complicated optimization problems at speeds we've just never, ever seen before. And look, this isn't just some far-off theory. The research on this is clear. The core value is the ability to, and I'm quoting directly here, solve optimization problems in seconds, tasks that would take classical supercomputers years. Just let that sink in for a moment. That right there is the game changer. Okay, so let's actually quantify that impact. What does going from years down to seconds really look like? This visual just lays it out so starkly. On one side, you have today's technology, where finding that perfect optimization takes years. And on the other, with a quantum AI model, we're talking seconds. This isn't just faster. It fundamentally changes the kinds of problems we can even afford to solve. And if you want to put a number on it, here it is. We are talking about a greater than 99.99% reduction in the time it takes to find the optimal solution. This is not an incremental improvement. It's a complete phase shift in our capability. So speed is great, but what does that speed actually do for our bottom line? Let's get into the tangible return on investment. The savings really come from 4 key pillars. First, real-time fleet routing. I want you to imagine, for a second, rerouting our entire fleet instantly, not just for traffic, but for minute-by-minute changes in fuel prices and customer demand. Second, dynamic warehouse stocking. This is about knowing with near-perfect accuracy exactly how many units to ship to a warehouse the day before a surprise heatwave hits, completely eliminating stockouts and overstock. Third, predictive maintenance. We'll go from guessing when a truck needs service to knowing when it will, preventing those costly breakdowns before they can ever happen. And the result of all of this? A drastic, massive reduction in fuel consumption and product waste. And when you look at the projected annual savings, they are significant, especially across our largest variable costs: fuel, inventory spoilage, and maintenance downtime. This is where the technology pays for itself, and then some. So this brings us to the bigger picture. This isn't just an operational upgrade. It's about a strategic imperative. We're talking about securing a powerful first-mover advantage. If you place this moment in history, you see a really clear pattern. Back in the 80s, optimization took hours or even days. In the 2010s, AI and machine learning brought that down to minutes or hours. Today, quantum AI brings it to seconds. We are at the very beginning of the next great computational leap. So the decision then isn't just about the potential gains, it's about the very real risk of doing nothing. Competitors who adopt this technology will gain efficiency leads that could become insurmountable. They'll stop reacting to market shifts and start predicting them. For us, that means margin erosion and a potential loss of market leadership. Which brings us to a final critical question. The quantum race has already begun. The starting gun has fired. The only question left is, are we going to lead it, or are we